Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. So today is Monday and today's morning started on a very different note. I went to a gym class after I think ages. I think I was in college when I first joined a gym ever in my entire life. And after that I just kind of lost touch and I used to do home workouts and everything. But now this year it was one of my goals to kind of, stay fit, stay active and just do something for my body, some sort of movement, because I feel like it keeps me sane mentally as well. And of course, it's great for my body as well. So I finally gave in and joined a gym class. So this class is very interesting. It has different workouts on each day because I tend to get really bored in a normal gym and doing the same thing over and over again. It's very boring for me. I get to learn many things at one time, which is great. So yeah, today was my first class and it was quite fun, to be honest. My body is completely sore at this point. I couldn't vlog obviously because I was very awkward. It was my first day and I didn't want to just whip out my phone and just record things. And my plan is to take you to class at least once this week, so we'll see how that goes. Apart from all that, I have many shoots planned today, so it's gonna be a very busy day. But before that, we have a couple of parcels that came in and let's just unbox them together because I'm very excited about these. Let's go. Wow. Okay. So basically these are like Rakhi hampers that I received for a shoot, and they have a masala chai in this and some lemon iced tea, which I am so excited to try and review for everyone. There's one more box in this, but we'll open that later. Abhi ke liye, I am very excited to unbox my shoes. So I got this new pair from Skechers, which I've been eyeing for a while. Okay, the packaging is totally wrecked. I don't know why. Myntra, do better, please. Beautiful. Oh my god, I love these. How pretty are these? These are blue, white and hints of pink and purple, which is just perfect for everyday wear. And I absolutely loved these because they have like thoda sa heel height as well, which looks great on like denims and stuff like that. Love Skechers for their comfort. So really looking forward to wearing these. So I'm done with like 3 videos for the day and I've changed into another new outfit because that's the nature of my job, can't help it. But guys, my body is so sore right now. I mean, not a great idea to start working out on a weekday because I am not able to move my body. Only I know कि मैंने कैसे shoot किया है. Only I know कि मैंने कैसे अपनी body को move किया है for that matter. All I wanna do is this. And not get up, bro. So sore. Everything is just painful. I know it's gonna get better with time, but I just wanna sleep. Peace out. The next morning, I got ready for the gym and this is how my face usually looks like after a good workout session. Honestly, I've been loving it so much. Then I got ready, like, showered and get ready because we planned a day out, like the 4 of us, me, my both sisters and my Jiju, because we have not been out in a very long time. So we decided कि हम South Bombay जाएंगे और वहाँ पे पूरा दिन spend करेंगे, like eating food, sitting on Marine Drive and just there's no agenda basically. So it was after a very long time that I went on a day out like this with no agenda whatsoever. And honestly मुझे इतना ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. Like Marine Drive was beautiful as usual. It was like gloomy, rainy sort of a vibe and the water was beautiful. Everything just looked like a dream and Mumbai in monsoon is something different only. Everyone say hi. Hi. And after that we went to a restaurant and ate the most amazing meal. Like chole bhature is one of my favorite food items and I ate it after so long. So here's my happy dance and it was just too good to be true. We had so much food that we were like literally passing out. So we came back to the Marine Drive and now we're just sitting, chilling, and I'm sorry if there's any external noise because bahut log hai aas paas, can't help it. But yeah, it's very pretty, like the day is very beautiful and the food was too amazing. Loved it. We are at the Nature's Trail in Walkeshwar. It's very newly opened and you can book the tickets online, like just Google it, and it's just like what, 25 rupees per person, but it's a very beautiful place and like it's completely green. You won't feel like you're in Bombay, which is I think the best part, I guess. And yeah, pretty good. Like you can hear the birds and you can see all greenery and everything. I'll show you around. It's the next day and yesterday was so much fun. Like I think I went on a day out like this with no agenda after a very long time and I needed that. But today I am all dressed up again because I'm going for an event. It's with Innisfree India. It's an amazing brand and I've always admired whatever they do. So I'm really excited for today. The theme for today was blue and beige. So I am exactly matching the theme, which is not so rare, but yeah, whatever. So yeah, excited to take you guys along to the event and let's go. The event was so beautiful and even the location was so gorgeous. I had the best time because the food was also good and I had good company and overall it was just a good day. The event got super loud, so I came inside for a minute of peace. Only introverts and ambiverts can relate to this feeling because sometimes I get really awkward and anxious whenever there's a lot of people. So washroom is my escape. On that note, I'm going to end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. See you next week with a brand new vlog. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Bye.